welcome back. So today we are going to be learning about the forms of government, or you can say types of government. And in this chapter we are going to be learning about different types of government and how they have a distinction between one another. So let's get started. To study government, geographers look at the following types: who rule and who participates; system, how power is distributed in the system. So, types of governments are based on one key word: who governs and what the citizens participate. Means कि कौन govern कर रहा है, कौन rule कर रहा है, और citizens जो उनके लोग हैं उनकी क्या participation है country के affairs में, decisions में and laws में. So these are the three types of governments: autocracy, oligarchy and democracy. Now let's look into the first one, that is autocracy. What autocracy means is supreme government, a government where all the power is controlled by one person. In this type of government, the leader does not have to follow the law or listen to the people. So it has two types of autocracies. One is monarchy and one is dictatorship. Monarchies में एग्जाम्पल आप ले सकते हैं किंग्स वगैरह की. जो किंग्स होते थे दे वर द मोनार्क्स, वेयर एज डिक्टेटरशिप वो होती है फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन द आर्मी चीफ इज रूलिंग, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हिटलर, ही वाज अ डिक्टेटर. Now we have democracy. Democracy means the rule of the people. So in this government are that most citizens can vote and elect people to rule the country in a certain way. Political parties are groups of people who feel the same way about how the government should work. So Pakistan is saying to be a democratic country. You must have seen that people go and vote. So that is a sort of democracy where the people are able to vote and elect their government, their leaders. So democracy is divided into two types. There is direct democracy and then there is representative democracy. So in direct democracy, every citizen votes for every decision the government makes. Whereas in representative democracy, what happens is citizens vote for people who will make decisions in the government. So here we are going to be talking about oligarchy. Oligarchy means the rule of the few, the government where all the power is in one group. So in dictatorship or monarch, the power is in the hands of one person, but in oligarchy the power is in the hands of one group. Like we studied in French Revolution that the power was in the hands of the first and the second class, where everyone else had to suffer. So the oligarchy means the rule of few, and where usually rich and in the same family rules the country or the state or that certain place. So oligarchy is also divided into two types. There is aristocracy and theocracy. So aristocracy ruled by people who claim to be better than others, whereas in theocracy ruled by religious leaders who make the country's law the same as their religion. ठीक है? You can refer to this type to the French Revolution. Aristocracy में क्या होता है, लोग क्या करते हैं, लोगों को लगता है कि वो बाकी सबसे अच्छे हैं और वो बाकी लोगों से इंटेलिजेंट है. The way they think is the best way possible that can be done. Whereas theocracy में क्या होता है, जो religious leaders होते हैं ना, वो अपने rules को जो है countries के laws में डाल देते हैं. For example, in the French Revolution, the clergy जो थी, church जो था वो rule करना शुरू हो गया था, whereas religion does not really have anything to do with politics or government. So here we studied about three types of government. Autocracy, वन सुप्रीम लीडर होता है इसमें. डेमोक्रेसी में क्या होता है, लीडर्स आर वोटेड बाय द सिटीजन्स. एंड ऑलिगरेसी, स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ पावरफुल लीडर्स रूल द कंट्री.